Hey guys, it's Caroline from Karen's Critiques, and today I'm going to teach you how to build the perfect starter home with only $10,000. $10,000 if you work at the pizza place isn't a lot.
Say what?
Okay, so we are going to go into build mode, and let's move our trash can over a little. And this doesn't require any game passes. Let's go to floors. And I didn't really plan this out. I have a little idea in mind. So let's do 2 by 5. And this is going to be as quick as possible. It's going to be like easy. So you can just go into Blocksberg and follow me along. Okay, now we're going to do walls. And 2 spaces, we're going to do 6. And then we're going to get the walls out again. Income 1, income 3. Okay, so that's kind of the front. Now, if you do have basement, you can do the roof trick, but if you don't, that's perfectly fine. So I'm going to copy this so I don't have to color it again. And we're going to kind of go 2 out. You can make the deck that big, but you totally don't have to. Okay, so that's it. And now we are going to add, and I started with 19,000, so we're going to do until we have 9,000 left. It might be like a few $100s off, but that's fine. I probably won't go completely over. So I think we're going to do this fairly cheap fence, the farm fence. No, we're not doing that, okay? Sorry. We are doing the deck railing, because this is a deck. And we are going to use the fence gate, so you do it completely. And you can't add a fence well, at least I don't know how to add a fence if you are doing the roof, because I don't think you can add fences to a roof. Okay, so let's get fence gate out. And let's get the deck railing gate about right in the middle of those 2. Now if we go out of build mode, you can open it, and then this would be where you could add your front door here or your front door here. We will decide which one we want. But I think I normally do it on this side, but I think I'm going to do it right here. Then the path's not the same. Okay, we're gonna expand the path again. Sorry. Okay. So you're just gonna expand the path again. Move the fence gate. Now I feel like that. Okay. Okay, so we're actually going to delete the front part. Sorry, again. And we're going to add this too. we just finished. We came over budget by like 4,000. Okay, but I'm gonna tell you also how you can get it to be in budget. You can use the cheaper railings to get it for it to be in budget. You can use different windows, but not just that. You don't have to put this, sorry, the floor is glitching, so I had to put this carpet and it's not perfect. Someone kicked it. You know, they just kicked it. You don't have to add a TV. You can use the cheap counters. I forgot to put seats here, but we were like so over budget. I didn't feel like it. But you can put seats here once you change the counters. And make sure to add linen lighting because it makes it warm lighting. This laundry room. Let's change Paris. No, I just like Paris in the laundry room. I always do it for some reason. Like I was building Victoria's house and I added Paris. Add this one, it's pretty. And so you can do your little laundry. This room is, if you didn't do this room, it would be perfectly in budget. So you can still do this room, which you need this room. This is the bedroom. You add a bed, a light, lamp. It's pretty simple. So it's pretty simple to get this in budget. All you have to do is do different counters and cheaper fence. And maybe not this. Yeah. And if you want, you can add a door instead of this because this was pretty expensive. Oh, and in the bathroom, I was going to add a towel. I would have added like perfume in my normal house, but this is a budget. This is like your first starter home. It's really easy. You can always add like an extra bedroom or like another sleeping bag if you want to have a family, or you can easily turn this, if you don't want a laundry, you can easily turn this into a bedroom. So that's the starter home. Let's just take another zoom out. We have like one tree and a few little bushes and a flower, which is very cute. So this is your little starter home. It looks very cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.